Hello everyone. Today we are learning about poverty. So, what is meant by poverty? We can define poverty as the condition where the basic needs of a family like food, shelter, clothing and education are not fulfilled. It can lead to other problems like poor literacy, unemployment, malnutrition. A poor person is not able to get education due to lack of money and therefore remains unemployed, and they get poorer and poorer. An unemployed person is not able to buy enough food for his family, their health declines. A weak person lacks the energy required for the job. A jobless person remains poor only. Thus, we can say that the poverty is the root of causes of other problems. The poverty is the state of one who lack a certain amount of material, positions or money. Poverty had been mostly accepted in inevitable as a traditional modes of production were insufficient to give an entire population a comfortable standard of living. The poverty also encompasses low level of health and education, poor access to clean water and sanitation, inadequate physical security, lack of voice and insufficient capacity and opportunities to better one's life. So, what is poverty? Poverty is the worst at its worst when people are deprived of basic needs. Everyday things that we take for granted, like food, water, shelter, money, and clothes. We can define poverty in many ways. It is very common to see poverty in India because most of the people here cannot meet the basic needs of life. A large percentage of the population here is illiterate, hungry, without homes and clothes. This is the main reason for the poor Indian economy. Almost half of the population in India is living a miserable life due to poverty. Poverty creates a situation in which people fail to get sufficient income so they cannot buy essential things. A poor man lives his life without any facilities such as two-time meal a day, clean drinking water, clothes, home, proper education and existence. So the poor person suffers more. And environmental problems mirror approaches structural forces in society as the primary victim of environmental degradation are also the main victim of injustice related to the class, gender, race, ethnicity and locale. Poverty affects the lives of women to a great extent due to gender inequality and deprive them to proper diet, nutrition, medicines and treatment. And this is a fact that the poor kids search their food from the garbage in our world. So, causes of poverty. So, what is causes of poverty? There is lack of education, natural disaster, lack of money, no opportunities provided, overpopulation. Poverty is also caused by drugs, alcohol, as some people spend all their money on addiction like this. This is also caused by poor agriculture, corruption, old custom, A huge gap between poor and rich people, unemployment, illiteracy, epidemic diseases. A large percentage of people in India depends on agriculture, which is poor. Poor people usually face food shortage due to poor agriculture and unemployment. So, what is eradication of poverty? Eradication of poverty is essential for the growth of our country. How to eradicate? By creating employment, by making educational opportunities available to all, by making drinking water available to all, and so on. That is the eradication of a poverty. How can we solve the problems? There are some solutions for poverty. Improving the quality of education for poor children and generating more employment. Improving the training and equipment of farmers in poor countries related to agriculture and natural resources management. Regular payment of income taxes should be collected by government, bringing black money from Swiss bank. So now we see what is conclusion. Poverty is not just an individual problem, but it is a national problem. This should be solved on the instant basis by implementing some effective solution. Various steps have been taken by the government to reduce poverty, but there are no clear reasons. Eradication of poverty is essential for sustainable and inclusive development of the people, economy, society, and the country. Poverty can be eliminated effectively by the combined efforts of each and every individual. Though a sharp bend is seen in poverty rate from 1981 to 2009, but poverty is still at large. The government makes schemes to eradicate poverty, but poor peoples are irradiated instead. In order for a bright future, we need to remove poverty completely and build a poverty-free nation. I hope you all will understand. Thank you so much.